A logical starting point for beginning to use Testing Manager is to customize the tool for your school by editing accommodations used, editing test types your school manages, editing the specific tests your school must manage, and editing testing locations your school uses. Testing accommodations offered to students tend to be fairly universal, though they are often referred to by unique terminology or specific frameworks. For this reason, Testing Manager comes configured with a set of accommodations that can be easily customized simply by clicking the Edit Accommodations link. You can click Edit to change the description of any preset accommodation. You can click Delete to remove any accommodation not applicable to any of your testing situations. You can add a new accommodation simply by entering a new or existing category here, a new accommodation here, any note you wish to add, and then by clicking Save. Test types refers to the categorization of the tests your school or district manages. Most all schools must manage state accountability testing and the benchmarks that prepare our students for these high-stakes exams. Many schools test beyond the classroom for other reasons, such as qualification for a gifted and talented program or the like. A high school will probably manage testing situations such as advanced placement testing, ACT, SAT, and other post-secondary admissions tests. The variety of testing that must be managed in our schools is why Testing Manager is built with customization in mind. The third configuration you can make to get your school off and running with Testing Manager is to edit tests, specifying which exact tests you will manage, their type, school year, and date or dates of administration. Dates can be entered using the Easy Date Picker or manually, as I'll do here. You will then save the changes you entered. Notice the SAT test is added and an administration date of 5/16/13 is established. Test administration dates are also displayed on a visual testing calendar we will look at later in this tutorial series. And, of course, it is easy to delete tests as necessary. The fourth and final configuration of Testing Manager we will review in this tutorial movie is Edit Locations, used for testing in your school. To add a location, give it a name, identify how many seats it has, who will likely supervise the room if you wish to indicate that now, and then indicate yes, only if you'd like to assign this room to that staff member as their regularly assigned room. Of course, any such setting you make can be changed at any point in the future. Seats and personnel can be easily edited once established. To change seating in numerous rooms with the same seat count, enter the count and check the rooms before clicking Set Seat Count. Changes to individual test rooms can be made simply by clicking, editing, and submitting as you see here. It is all designed to help your school more easily manage the complex puzzle of administering school testing. The next movie in this tutorial series will further demonstrate how to configure Testing Manager to custom fit your school.